In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, taxes, a card where you can spend your balance, and peer-to-peer payments. One of the most common questions that I can't believe I haven't made a video for yet is simply how to withdraw your money. So this is very simple actually, but there's one trick that most people don't understand, and that's that you can only withdraw from your cash balance here at the top of the screen. So if you have money in savings, you would need to transfer that out, and that would go to your cash balance. If you have money in Bitcoin, you would need to sell that, and then it would go to your cash balance. If you have money in stocks, you would need to sell that and it would go to your cash balance. And then once it's here in your cash balance at the top of the screen, then you can tap withdraw and you can select the amount, or you can tap on the numbers and type the amount. I'll just do $5 for this example, and then I'm gonna tap withdraw. I can do standard Friday with no fee, or I can do instant with a 25-cent fee. I don't want to pay a fee, so I'm just going to tap standard. So this is going to go to my connected bank account by Friday, and done. Just like that, I've withdrew $5 and it's on its way to my bank. Now I can also use this money in my cash balance to do other things in the app, like what I just showed you, savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can use the card to spend it. Cash App has lots of great features that are easy to use. I'm just going to purchase Bitcoin with this money because why not? $25, tap next, scan my face. It's going to show me the order details and tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $25 more of Bitcoin, tap done, and you can see that money is spent from my cash balance. That'll do it for this video. There's how to withdraw money from Cash App. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.